Maui Wildfires lawsuit. On this video, we'll discuss an overview of the Maui Wildfires lawsuit, damages that can be claimed in the Maui wildfire lawsuits, examples of other recent wildfire disasters, and much more. The island of Maui experienced severe wildfires that resulted in extensive damage to homes, landscapes, and infrastructure. The Maui wildfires have been significantly exacerbated by utility-related incidents. These fires are frequently triggered by power lines or other equipment from utility companies that fail due to lack of maintenance or adverse weather conditions. In Maui, there have been several specific sites where such wildfires have occurred. These include Kula Upcountry, Lahaina, Makawao, Pulehu/Kihei, and Olinda. The fires caused significant distress for residents and had a devastating impact on the local environment. Following the wildfires, legal action has been initiated. These lawsuits have been filed against those believed to be responsible for the fires. The damage caused by these wildfires and hurricane winds, both examples of extreme weather events linked to climate change, is nothing short of catastrophic. Imagine this very tragedy: thousands upon thousands of acres burnt to cinders, countless structures damaged beyond repair, and sadly a high death toll with many lives lost in the process. The Maui wildfires have a significant impact on the local environment and community. This can be compared to other significant wildfires caused by utilities, such as the PG&E Camp Fire in California and the Pacificorp Fire in Oregon. The following metrics provide a comparison of these wildfires. This comparison illustrates the severe impact of utility-caused wildfires in different regions. These wildfires are not limited to Maui and are part of a larger pattern that can be observed in various vulnerable regions. Each of these regions has its own experiences of loss and damage due to these fires. The aftermath of the devastating Maui wildfires saw a flurry of lawsuits filed against several entities, including Hawaiian Electric, the government, and others. Plaintiffs in the Maui wildfires lawsuit claimed these parties failed to adequately manage and respond to the wildfire threat. At the heart of these allegations is Hawaiian Electric's supposed negligence. The electric company has been accused of not de-energizing power lines during high-risk periods, also known as a public power shutoff plan, which will now delay grid modernization projects. This alleged mismanagement led to sparks that initiated the deadly wildfire ignition, igniting dry vegetation and causing widespread wildfires. Here are some key points raised in the lawsuits. Failure to enforce safety measures. Conscious indifference. Lack of emergency response plans. In addition to individual suits, a class action lawsuit has also been filed against Hawaiian Electric Industries, HEI. This legal action represents a group of plaintiffs who, this lawsuit alleges, have had their interests adversely affected by HEI's alleged negligence. The class action suit focuses on several key allegations. Negligent maintenance. Inadequate response. Community impact. The ongoing legal battles highlight the importance for utility companies, such as Hawaiian Electric Industries, to place safety above financial gain. People and their homes should always be placed above company profits. Victims affected by deadly wildfires have legal rights to seek justice and compensation for their losses. This includes property loss, climate change impacts, personal injury, emotional distress. The primary emphasis in the event of a Maui wildfire should be on safeguarding oneself. This can be likened to a sudden decrease in cabin pressure on an airplane, where one must first secure their own oxygen mask before assisting others. 1. It is essential to either seek immediate shelter or evacuate as directed by the relevant authorities. 2. Keeping abreast of local news is crucial for receiving real-time updates. 3. To prevent smoke and fume inhalation, usage of N95 masks is recommended. It is important to note that material possessions can be replaced, while human lives cannot. Once safe, it's time to assess and document the damages for insurance claims and potential legal action. This step is akin to solving a jigsaw puzzle, Each piece of evidence, or contributing source, helps complete the overall picture of losses incurred. It's crucial to document these damages, not just because it could mean getting compensated for your losses, but also because it provides the necessary concrete proof when dealing with insurers or lawyers. Now comes the part where you might want to consider seeking legal counsel. Your legal counsel is your guide while navigating these uncharted waters, so it's crucial you do your diligence when hiring them. Here are some tips. 1. Consult an attorney specializing in wildfire lawsuits. 2. Understand your rights and possible grounds for filing a lawsuit. 3. Gather all necessary documents such as photos of damages, insurance claims filed, etc. 4. File the lawsuit against responsible entities, if any, based on your lawyer's advice. The Maui wildfires have had a profound impact, causing immense damage and sparking numerous lawsuits. It's crucial to understand the legal implications and responsibilities tied to these incidents. If you've been affected by the wildfires and are in the cleanup and recovery phase of this catastrophe, taking the right steps can help you navigate through this challenging time safely. These steps can also help tremendously when trying to claim compensation for the damages and losses experienced by you and/or your loved ones. Contact TrueLaw for a case evaluation and use the chatbot to see if you qualify instantly.